Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you will be safe and sounds. You're watching your favorite YouTube channel, that name is teacher Narasif. It's a very important channel for you. As in the past, I have told you that I have done my duty in Pakistan Coast Guards, and after that, I have done my duty in Punjab Rangers also. My qualification is post graduation. I want to see your English high level. If you will take interest, without interest, you cannot do something. If you will take interest, if you will take sometimes to watch my all videos day by day, you will take an interest on learn tenses. Slowly you will get the opportunity, inshallah. You will speak English like me when you will learn all tenses, passive voice, direct and direct. But it is the condition for you that please take a sometimes to watch my all videos. Please like, share and subscribe my all videos because these are very important videos for you. If you want to go ahead, your English should be good because English has become the language of the science and technology. English is a backbone in all over the world. Without English, you cannot make progress. Without English, you cannot go ahead. If you want to be a CSS officer, Central Security Services of Pakistan, that's a very high level post in Pakistan. If you want to be a ISSB officer, Inter-Service Selection Board, that is the highest seat in Pakistan Army, Navy, Air Force. You will be second lieutenant there. And if you want to be a PCS officer, Provincial Civil Services, that depends in Punjab level, Sindh level, Sarhad level, Balochistan level. And if you will take interest, and if you will work hard, if you will pay your full attention to work hard, because work hard is the key to success. Don't waste your time with your friends. You should make friends. Those will help you in your studies, understand. Don't waste the money of your parents. It's a very precious time for you. You will not get a time again in life because these are the days of your student life and parents are spending much money upon you and they want to see you officer in Pakistan. And please like, share and subscribe my all videos because these videos are very important for you. And I want to request you in the final, please say your 5 times pray and recite the Holy Quran daily and read the tasbih of the Durood Pak daily upon our Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his sacred family. And please say your prayers at the time of Tahajjud because Tahajjud is very sacred prayer. And your all prayers will be accepted when you will offer your Tahajjud prayers. It's a very important and essential matter for you. I want to give this suggestion and advice to you that please pay your full attention on the prayers of Tahajjud. When you will offer the Tahajjud prayer, God will be happy towards you and you will get a lot of opportunities in your life, inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. In the final, please pray for the people of the Palestine, Makhouda, Kashmir and Gaza because they are our brothers and sisters. They are in troubles now. They need our prayers all the times. It's our moral duty as a Muslims that we should pray for them after every prayer, especially at the time of the Tahajjud. Okay, thanks. Jazakallah.